What's up, everybody? Bryce Paul here from Crypto 101, Crypt Nation, and Crypto Revolution. I'm here on the beach. Boardwalk is closed. Very odd. But this beach is open. So it's just odd that we have a closed boardwalk and an open beach. Anyhow, last night I went swimming in that there ocean, believe it or not. And there's bioluminescence. So that means I was swimming through the ocean, and straight up, as I was moving my hand through the water, it looked like my hand was bright blue. So I don't think it's radiation. I don't think it's uranium, like some of my friends were giving me some crap about. But there is some bioluminescent algae that is out right now. And I think that was one of the side effects, the good side effects of basically having this lockdown. And all of the oceans being closed and not having any people in it. You're having a flourishing of life. And it's really cool stuff. But one of the other things I wanted to talk to you guys about today, something that has a little bit more relation to the markets. Oh, I guess I'm also seeing this thing here says no stopping or sitting. So I should probably be walking as I'm talking here, so I don't get caught by the popo here. Social distancing, crazy stuff. Guys, the markets, right? The crypto markets, one of the things that they've been poo-pooed for, right? One of the things that they've been poo-pooed for is that they're not really tied to anything physical, right? They're not tied to the real economy or earnings or growth or GDP. To a certain extent, they're not tied to anything physical except some of the economics around mining and electricity. But beyond that, they're not tied to the physical world. And now that the physical world has experienced such sell-offs and such drawdowns because of this coronavirus thing, and there's actually physical effects to the world, crypto is immune to a lot of that, right? Crypto isn't necessarily tied to that. So what used to be one of crypto's greatest weaknesses in this market environment is actually one of crypto's greatest strengths. So think about that. Think about this week, as you're going through your trades or your investments or whatever, think about, do I have any investment that's not tied to GDP or earnings or, national debt and national growth and all that stuff? And if the answer is no, if the answer is, look, I only have stocks, I only have bonds, I only have these things that are tied to the real world, the physical economy, and nothing to purely just the digital economy, right? No cryptocurrency, you're probably misallocating your portfolio. You're probably making some gross overlooking of an asset class that is actually the highest performing asset class in the 10 of the last 11 years. So guys, that's kind of all I wanted to come to you to talk about today, was just the idea that crypto used to have a perceived flaw of not being tied to the real world, whereas now I think the perception is going to start shifting and saying, hey, crypto doesn't have any ties to the real world. I think I would like that, because now the real world is not looking so great. So anyhow, I will see you guys tomorrow, sometime soon, hopefully here in sunny San Diego. Keep crushing it out there and have yourselves a great lockdown. If you guys are still locked down, if you're not locked down, enjoy the free world. It's a beautiful thing. There's a lot of people out here walking. It's really, really a beautiful day. So if you guys are getting out of quarantine, slowly but surely they'll start opening the economy, and it's going to be good. But look, it's good to see families back out. It's good to see people running, good to see people going on long romantic walks on the beach. And guys, that goes as far as the eye can see. There's a lot of crazy stuff going on right now. So anyhow, that's our market update, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.